Hi friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to configure SeekaHost India business email in Outlook. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. This video is available in multiple languages. Go to YouTube video settings and open audio track option and choose your desired audio track. As a first step, open your Outlook. If you are opening the Outlook for the first time, you will be seeing the same screen right now. Here, enter the email ID that you want to configure with Outlook. Click the continue button. Please wait for a few seconds after clicking continue button. It will ask you to choose the email provider. If you scroll down, you can see two protocols, IMAP and POP. You have to choose either IMAP or POP. Let me explain here about IMAP and POP shortly. If you choose the IMAP protocol, the mails will be stored on your mail server. The stored mails can be seen in multiple devices by logging in your mail ID. Suppose if you delete one mail from one device, mail will be deleted in the server level. So the other devices with your mail ID didn't able to see the message. In short, every action will be working in server level. If you want to use these protocols, you can choose IMAP. POP and POP3 protocols both are same. In POP3, the mails are not stored in server. Instead, it will be stored on your devices. For example, you have been logged in with this protocol in two devices. If you open the mail on one device, it will be automatically downloaded to that device. In the second device, you can't see the mail because it was not stored on server level. That mail only can be seen in the device 1. It's like which device open the mail will store the mail. The second device can't see the mail. If you want to use this protocol, choose the protocol POP3 or POP. For the configuration, I am choosing the IMAP protocol. In the IMAP configuration page, it will ask for a password. Enter your mail ID's password. If you scroll down, it will ask for some configuration details. Now you will think, where can I get these details? While purchasing the mail hosting, you should have received these configuration details along with your records. If you can't able to find it, please log into SeekaHost India client area. In the SeekaHost India client area dashboard, you can see your profile name on the top right corner. Click it. As the fifth option, you can see the email history. Open it. Here you can see all the mails that was sent from SeekaHost India to your registered email ID. Now find your mail hosting order details mail. After opening the mail, if you scroll down, you can see the section like email, client configuration details, Outlook and Thunderbird. Here you can see the details like incoming server, port number and outgoing server details. You can see that incoming server and outgoing server are same mail.hostedmail.com. Now go back to our Outlook configuration page. Field of IMAP incoming server, enter mail.hostedmail.com. And for the port number, go back to the mail and check for SSL port number, IMAP port, SSL port number. Check it and fill the same details on the IMAP configuration page. Now if you scroll down to the last of this configuration, you can see the option like SMTP outgoing server. On the outgoing server field, enter mail.hostedmail.com, and for the port number, go and check on the mail. You can see the SMTP port number on the last line of the section. Enter the port number on the SMTP port number, and for the SMTP password field, please enter your email ID's password. Once you enter all the configuration details, please click the continue button. Now again it will ask for confirmation. Please click continue button again. After clicking the continue button, please wait for a few minutes. Once the mail ID is successfully configured with your Outlook, you will see the Outlook dashboard like this. To check everything is working fine here, please send a test mail to your mail ID. Right now I am checking with my testing mail ID to make sure it was working fine. Once the mail has been sent, please click the send items button. Here you can see my testing mail has been successfully sent. By following the steps that I was mentioned in this video, you can easily configure a business email to Outlook. If you have any doubts on the steps that I have mentioned in the video, please contact our SeekaHost India support team. They will help you on that. If you find this video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The updates about the more informative videos, please click the bell icon.